This video will show you how to do today's work, which is the Earth Elements Slides assignment. You're going to get a template that looks like this. The slides are basically identical, except for one is crust, one is atmosphere, and one is ocean. All you have to do is first complete the sentence. So this says the crust is the, this one says the atmosphere is the, and the ocean is the. You're just going to complete the sentence and tell me what these are by erasing the dots and then continuing on. And I'll let you figure out how to figure out what the definition of ocean, atmosphere, and crust is. Once you've done that, all you have to do is complete the data table and then insert a pie chart. So how do you insert a pie chart? All you have to do is go to Insert, Chart, and Pie. And when I click that, it's going to put the chart right where I want it, right there. Good stuff. And then I just do that for all of these. Insert, Chart, Pie. And this last one here, I go to Insert, Chart, and Pie, like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create pie charts, kind of like we did in the assignment yesterday, with very same data. So I need to create my data table first, and then I'll create my pie chart. How do I create my data table? Well, on the instruction page, there's a link to the data, and that data is right here. Crust, ocean, atmosphere. This is all of the information all in one spot. So all I have to do is oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, and calcium. I'll just do this one real quick. So I go here, and I've got oxygen, aluminum, silicon, aluminum, right? Iron and calcium. There, and then I just put the numbers in here. Again, 46.6, 27.7, you see what I'm doing, and 27.7, and 8.1, 5.0, and 3.6. So 8.1, 5.0, and 3.6. Now I have to fix this chart. This is slightly more complicated, but it's pretty easy. If you notice, this says points scored and these teams and stuff, totally irrelevant data. All I have to do is click on the chart and then go to these little elements right here, click the arrow, and click Open Source. And that's going to open up a Google Sheet. It's going to take a second because it's actually going to put a copy of the chart right here. It's working on that right now, so I'll scroll back up here. And that chart's going to insert itself right here in just a second. But what I need to do is change all of this information to be the same information as what is on my chart right here. So I just have to basically just copy these things right here, copy those, put them right here, like that. And then I'll come back over here and I'll copy my numbers like this. And I can put my numbers right there. And notice everything changes. I need to change the title. So I'll just double click like this. And these are crust elements. Okay. And then the other thing that I want to do is change this so it's a lot easier to see. These are really, really light. So if I click on the little names right here, it changes this legend and it gets me to the exact spot that I need to fix this. So I'm going to make this bold, and then the font size, I'll make it like 12, so it's a little bit bigger, maybe even bigger than that. No, that's good, just like that. All right, that's fine. So a little bit bigger, a little bit easier to see. So when I go back to my slide, nothing's changed, but I can click the little update buttons. When I click that, there we go. And it's all done. So you just do the same thing for these other two, ocean and atmosphere, and you'll be good to go. Good luck.